Here's how to list every Monday this year. We just want a date of every single Monday. The very first Monday of the year was equals date 2025, month 1, day 6. That's the 6th of January, and that was a Monday. We can actually tell by doing this, formatting our cell as a Monday. We can just go format, number, and choose this day of the week. So it's literally the date, but just formatted as a Monday. How do we list every single Monday of this year? We're going to go equals this A3 plus 7. Now, the 13th, is that a Monday? Equals this? Yes, it is. Now, we just have to copy paste this 52 times. And we can delete the ones that are from next year. And there we go. We have a list now of 52 Mondays in 2025. If we want to change this year, maybe it's 2026 already when you're watching this. There we go, 2026. But is this a Monday? No, it's a Tuesday. So we just need to change the 6 to a 5. And there's every single Monday of 2026 as well. Hope you enjoyed that video. If you're looking for more interesting combinations of formulas, more automations, check out other videos here on Better Sheets. It's free here on YouTube. Over at bettersheets.co, you got to pay a monthly membership. Go check that out too if you want. But subscribe here for free here on YouTube.